Hello everyone, welcome to today's presentation. Today we are going to explore the world of plants and their system. Before we dive into the science, I have a question for you. Have you ever planted something? Mm, Maybe a flower in a pot or a tree in your garden? Okay, if you have, what did you do to make it grow? Did you water it? Did you put in the sun? Okay, keep this action in mind as we learn today. Here is our agenda for today's session. We have three main goals. 1. We will review plant organs. 2. We will identify the worst type of organ system found in a plant. And third, we will compare and contrast the function of these two systems. First, let's remember a basic rule of biology. Similar cells work together to form tissues, and tissues work together to form organs. When we talk about plant organs, the main part of organs we are referring to are the leaf, stem, and the roots. Now, these organs don't work alone, they don't work together. Plants generally have two main systems. Can anyone guess what they are? Mm, Here is ahead the word written. Okay, time is up. They are the root system and the shoot system. Let's define this simply. The shoot system in the aerial part of the plant. This is the part that grows or shoots upward above the ground. On the other hand, the root system is composed of the organs that grow beneath the soil and into the ground. Let's look at the shoot system in detail. As you can see in this diagram, it consists of several parts including the flower, bud, leaf, nut, and stem. All of these parts above the ground work together. So, what does the shoot system actually do? It has three major functions. And 1. It grows upward towards the sunlight. 2. It provides structure by holding the plant upright, specifically the stem. 3. It transporting fluids through the whole plant. And most importantly, it allows the plant to collect sunlight and make food through photosynthesis and leaf. Now, let's move underground to the root system. This system also has crucial job. First, it absorbs water and mineral from the soil. Second, it acts as an anchor, supporting the plant so it stays in a place. And the last one, it is also responsible for storing food for the plant. You can see there the different parts like the taproot and the root cap. Well should grow up, roots grow down. The tip of the root, called the root cap, protects the roots as they push through the soil and actually help the root sense gravity. New calls are consistently made here via the root meristem. Also, an interesting fact, thicker roots absorb fewer nutrition, but they are much better at storing foods and food. Here is a close look at how the root system spread out to maximize stability and absorption. Okay, look at that. Okay, to wrap up our lesson today, plants part are called organs, and they work together into system. First, the shoot system absorbs structure, transport fluids, and produce food via leaf. Second, the root system grows down to gravity, absorbs water and nutrition, and stores food. Both systems are essential for the plants to survive. Thank you for listening presentation today. Bye bye.